An important part of any document system is version control. This is also an important part of the Datalyzer FMEA system. Whenever you work in a document in Datalyzer FMEA, you are working in a draft version. The draft version is an uncontrolled document. Everyone who is authorized can make changes in the draft version. If a change is made in a reference document which is adopted by the specific document, these changes will be introduced in the draft version. When a draft version should become the official version, you need to issue the draft version. Normally, we should only issue a document when it has no unacceptable errors anymore, and when we issue a document, we must register who issued the document and for what reason. Datalyzer FMEA supports the issuing process. To set up the rules related to errors, go to Settings, Global Preferences, and select the tab Issuing Rules. Here you can define which errors in a document should be highlighted in the Document Statistics overview, and which errors are a reason not to allow issuing of the document. In this screen, you can also enter the list of issuing reasons. Issuing a draft version can be done in the Documents catalog. First, you click on the document to be issued, and then you click on the icon Issue in the File menu. Then the Document Statistics screen appears. This screen shows a summary of the document statistics and the errors found in the document. If any error, which is a blocking reason, is marked, you are not allowed to issue the document and have to correct the error first. Datalyzer FMEA supports error correction in the Action part by indicating incorrect cells in red. This can be set up in the Tools menu under Preferences, and then select tab RPN Thresholds. If there are no errors anymore which will block issuing, the status field in the bottom of the document statistics screen will indicate that the document can be issued. The document statistics screen allows you to provide a reason for issuing. It will automatically store who is issuing the document, and you can enter a comment. When you press the button Issue, 4 steps are performed automatically. In the first step, a copy of the current draft document is made with a new revision number. This becomes the new draft version. In step 2, the current date is entered as the revision date in the old draft document. In step 3, all links to standard processes are removed and the adoptions are incorporated into the old draft document. In step 4, the old draft document is changed to an issued document. This means it cannot be changed anymore. A document name can change, so you need a method to track the history of a document. In the document catalog, you can right-click on the document and then a submenu appears. If you select Show Document History, you will see the list of versions for that document with the issuing information. When you right-click again or click on History Off, you return to the normal catalog screen. The issuing comments provide brief information as to why the document is issued, but that is not a complete changelog, so Datalyzer offers an option to add changelog comments. To add a log, you select a document, and in the File menu click on Changelog, or you can access the changelog from within the document by going to Tools and select Changelog there. In the changelog screen, you see all the changelogs. You can delete, edit, or print existing logs, or you can add a new log. When you add a log, you can select for which version the log must be added and add the description. When the log is saved automatically, all members of the core team are added to the log message. This way you have historic records of team members and departments being involved in the FMEA process. You can show or hide specific departments with the Show Hide Column option. If preferred, you can have the log screen pop up automatically on saving a draft document. This can be set up in the Settings menu under Global Settings under the tab Document Settings.